Today I'll be demonstrating problem 121, best time to buy and sell stock on Leetcode. You are given an array of prices where the prices index is the price of a given stock on the ith day. On the index day, which can be any day. You want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. Return the maximum profit. You can achieve this from transaction. If you cannot achieve any profit, return 0. So we're looping through an array here and we're only moving forward, can't go backward. So basically we're finding the lowest number in an array and then finding the highest number in the array after that, and then taking the difference from those two numbers. So in this case, 1 is the lowest, 6 is the highest, so 5 is the profit. You're buying on day 2, price is 1, and selling on day 5, 6. So in this example, you wouldn't make any profit because the numbers keep getting lower and lower. So your output is 0 because you have to keep moving forward in the array. Today I'll be demonstrating problem 121, best time to buy and sell stock on Leetcode. You are given an array of prices where the prices index is the price of a given stock on the index day. You want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. Return the maximum profit you can achieve from this transaction. You cannot achieve any profit. If you cannot achieve any profit, return 0. So in this example here, we would buy on day 2, which is 1, and sell on day 5. And your output is 5 because the difference between 1 and 6 is 5. And we're moving forward in the array. We can't go backward. So on example 2, we're going forward and your output is 0 because you would have to buy on one of these days and there's no number higher than buying on those days. So you can't return any profit since you have to keep moving forward. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a minimum and a maximum variable. Let min equal prices index. So that can be any number in the array. We're taking the prices parameter because we'll be looping through it. And let max equal 0 as a starter. Next, we're going to be looping through the prices array. And we're going to start at the 1 index. Prices.length. Inside the for loop, we're going to be creating two more variables. The first is called price. And we're going to be using a const instead of let because we need to reassign the variables. This should be a 0, not a 1. So this, and then we're going to create another variable called profit, and it's going to be the min minus the max. And we're going to create another variable called profit, and we're going to create another variable called profit. And we're going to create another variable called profit, and it's going to be the prices minus the min. And we're going to create another variable called profit, and it's going to be the price minus the min. Then we're going to check with an if-else statement. We're first going to check if the price is less than the minimum. If it is, the minimum will equal the price. It will become the price and be reassigned to it. Else if the profit is greater than the max. The max will become the profit and get reassigned to the profit. After all that, we will return the max. Runtime complexity for this problem is O of n, because we're looping through the array, no matter how big the array is. Thank you.